Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Creativa MK. Those are pictures of tables I made 7 years ago. It is in the Obala restaurant in Danilovgrad, Montenegro. The tables are used regularly and have not been damaged anywhere. Then I made 16 tables for this restaurant. In the continuation of the video, I will show you how to work those tables step by step. And now how it starts. This was before I make anything, and then I white them in white, put a paper. The paper I used are comics that the owner has been collecting for years, and this is how it work in progress was. As for the material, I used a synthetic brush and glued the comic with water-based varnish, sheet by sheet. I shaded with brown and green acrylic paint and took the help of a sponge. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting ideas, and of course tell me in the comments how do you like my work. You can see the mark of the water-based varnish I used for this project, and here is a little bag, plastic bag, who helped me also. When I finished everything, I varnished each table with a water-based varnish 4 times to protect them and could be used without problems. When I did this restoration, I was 27 years old, and this was my first big project and a big challenge for me. So I have to share with you that I was really very proud of myself when I finished. And next to tables, in this restaurant, I also made supporting columns and a board that runs along the entire restaurant using the imitation wood technique. At the beginning of the video, you can see part of that technique in the pictures. So if you have any question about this restoration, write it in the comments, ask everything you are interested in, and I will be happy to answer. Thank you for watching this video and for supporting my work. See you in my next tutorial. And again, if you aren't subscribed to my channel and support me on that way. See you very soon.